हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम देखते हैं IBPS क्लर्क प्रीलिम सॉल्व पेपर 2024 का। ठीक है, सो ये एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट हुआ था 24 अगस्त 2024 को। बेस्ड ऑन मेमोरी है। टोटल इसको 60 मिनट्स रहता है और मैक्सिमम मार्क्स रहता है 100। चलिए अभी हम शुरू करते हैं रीजनिंग एबिलिटी। सो डायरेक्शन है क्वेश्चन 1 to 5। रीड द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन केयरफुली एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चंस ठीक तरह से पढ़ लीजिए, क्वेश्चन में ही हमको आंसर मिल जाएगा। ए पर्सन वेंट टू द मार्केट टू बाई 8 items. The products he is buying are battery, bulb, ketchup, biscuit, pulses, watches, bread and moisturizer, but not necessarily in the same order. The product that is bought first placed at the top is numbered 1, and the product that is bought last place at the bottom and the numbered as 8. Number of the products bought after ketchup is less than the number of the products taken after bulb. More than 2 products are taken between biscuits and battery. Only 3 products are taken after battery. 1 product is bought between moisturizer and battery. 4 products are bought between watches and bread. Bread and ketchup are not bought in the end. The watches is bought before bulb. अगर देखिए आपको पैराग्राफ ठीक से समझ में नहीं आया तो और एक बार भी पढ़ सकते हैं। जितनी बार पढ़ोगे उतना क्लियर आपको वहाँ का इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगा। अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, हाउ मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स आर बॉट बिटवीन मॉइस्चराइजर एंड ब्रेड। इसका सही आंसर है 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच प्रोडक्ट इज बॉट जस्ट बिफोर बैटरी। सो बैटरी से पहले बल्ब परचेस किया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर बॉट इन द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर फ्रॉम द वन प्रोडक्ट विच इज बॉट फर्स्ट, then how many products remain in the same position? So correct answer is 1. Next one, how many products are bought before bread? So before bread 6 products bought. Next one, which of the following statement is or true according to the final arrangements? So अभी देखिए रोमन नंबर 1, only 2 products are bought between ketchup and biscuits. So second statement, pulses are bought at the end. Third statement, as many products are bought between moisturizer and watches as between battery and ketchup. So which statement is correct here? So here, see here, only second and third statement are correct. Pulses are bought at the end, this is the correct statement. As many products are bought between moisturizer and watches as between the battery and ketchup. So only second and third statement is true. Number 6 to 8. Read the following and answer the following questions. Friends P, Q, R, S, T and U each got different marks in the examination. S score more than U, all having lesser marks than R. P score more than T and less than U. S does not score maximum marks. The one who scored least marks scores 31 marks. T scores is not an odd number. The one who scored the 4th highest score is 52 marks. सी ये पैराग्राफ आप जितने बार पढ़ते हैं उतना आपको क्लियर होगा। तो चलिए अभी हम क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। सो हु स्कोर द लीस्ट मार्क्स। सो Q जो है ना लीस्ट मार्क्स स्कोर किया है। सो नेक्स्ट 7th वन, हु अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग पर्सन हैज स्कोर्ड 3rd हाईएस्ट मार्क्स। 3rd हाईएस्ट मार्क्स किसको आया है? U को। नेक्स्ट वन, इफ S स्कोर 61 मार्क्स देन व्हाट मे बी द स्कोर ऑफ U। सो करेक्ट आंसर कितना है? 58। सो नेक्स्ट डायरेक्शन 9 to 13। 9 to 13 क्वेश्चन के लिए डायरेक्शन क्या है? इन द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन assuming the given statement to be true, find which of the conclusion among the given conclusion is or are definitely true and then give your answer accordingly. So 9 statements. T is greater than or equal to U. U is less than or equal to P. P is greater than Q. And U is greater than R. R is less than S. Conclusion. So first statement, T is greater than S. Second statement, S is greater than or equal to T. Which of the statement is correct here? So in the ninth one, see here, E, either one or two follows. Either one or two follows. So 10th one, statements, A is greater than or equal to B. B is less than D. D is less than or greater than O. O is equal to C. B is greater than to P. P is equal to T. Conclusion, number 1, C is greater than P. Number 2, O is greater than T. So now 10th one, which of the statement is correct? So both 1 and 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Next, 11th statement, Z is greater than or equal to A. A is greater than to O. O is equal to N. G is less than N. N is greater than or equal to H. H is greater than V. So what is the conclusion? Statement 1, A is greater than V. Statement 2, G is greater than H. So which of the following statement is correct? So in this, only one follows. So only one follows. 12th statement, Z is greater than or equal to X. X is less than V. V is equal to R. So here Q is greater than or equal to V. V is greater than to J. So conclusion 1 is J is less than X. So second one is Q is greater than X. So here only 2 follows. Only 2 follows. So next, 13th question, statement V is less than U. U is less than A. A is greater than B. C is less than or equal to D. And D is equal to E. E is greater than or equal to B. So conclusion here, statement 1, D is less than U. Statement 2, D is greater than or equal to U. So here in this 13th statement, D, either 1 or 2 follows. अभी देखिए डायरेक्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 14th to 18th. रीड द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन एंड द आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. 8 persons Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T and S, total 8 persons were born in the same year of different months such as December, October, September, July, May, April, January and March, but not necessarily in the same order. The consecutive alphabetical name of the person was not born in the consecutive month. Z was born in the month which has an even number of days. Only 3 persons were born between Z and Y. 2 persons were born between X and W, who was born an adjacent month to Z. U was born in July. X was born before W. The number of person born after X was equal to the number of person born before S. T was not born in the month of March. तो कंफ्यूज करता है ये क्वेश्चन, तो हमको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. तो एज पर हमको क्या करना है, हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, एक डायग्राम हम डाल देंगे. जैसे कि देखिए, अभी देखिए X कौन से महीने में बॉर्न हुआ है, जनवरी में, ठीक है. उसके बाद में V मार्च, Z कौन से महीने में, अप्रैल, और उसके बाद में W कौन से महीने में, मई. उसके बाद में U कौन से महीने में, जुलाई. उसके बाद में T सितंबर में. उसके बाद में Y अक्टूबर में एंड S दिसंबर में. ठीक है, जैसे हम लिखते हैं ना, हमको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. अभी देखिए 14th क्वेश्चन क्या पूछता है, हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स वेर बॉर्न बिटवीन T एंड वन हु वॉज बॉर्न इन मार्च. तो अभी हम डायग्राम डालते हैं ना, सिंपल से हम आंसर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। देखिए टोटल 3। हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स वर बॉर्न बिटवीन टी एंड द वन हु वाज बॉर्न इन मार्च? टोटल कितना है? 3। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence from a group. Which of the following one does not belong to the group? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है Z. So all the persons belongs to 31 days month except Z. 16th one, the number of person born before V is 1 less than the number person born after. इसका सही जवाब है T. Correct answer is T. So next one, who among the following was born after Z but before U? So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है W. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, in a certain way T is related to Y, in the same way W is related to U, then who among the following person is related to S? So इसका सही जवाब है Y. Y is the correct answer. Next question, if 1 is added to each even digit and 2 is subtracted from each prime digit in the number 35873464, then what is the sum of digits which is third and second from left and right respectively? देखिए ये क्वेश्चन जो है ना ये अलग है, हम क्या करेंगे अभी. So here 19th one, so the number is, what is that number? 35873464. Now okay, so here -2, so +1, -2, -2, +1, +1, +1. So 1 3 9 5 1 5 7 5. So which implies here the third digit from the left hand is 9 and the second digit from the right hand is 7. Okay, so now sum of 9 plus 7 is equal to how much? 16. So 16. So the correct answer is how much? 16. Question number 20, there are 4 words given in each option that follows a certain logic. If the third letter from the left of each word is taken, then a meaningful word can be formed. If the odd one which does not follow the same pattern. So here the third letter from the left from each word is, see option, so option number A, so just K N E E. So what is this? Knee here. Okay, so option number B, D O O R. So what is this? Door. So option number C, R O S E. So rose. And then option number D is what? M O S T. So M O S T, most. So here none of the above. So none of the above. So for that, so none of the above is the correct one. Directions for question number 21 to 25. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions. So here you will see some code is there. Okay, F1 F4I at E7 something. So question number 21, how many such numbers are there in the above arrangements, each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant and the following by a vowels. Here you can see this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay, so just considered here left and right like that. For this question number 21, so we can say that like only F4IP1U, that is two number that are immediately preceded by the consonant and the following by the vowels. So that is the option number A, two numbers. So next one, question number 22. If all the numbers in the above arrangements are dropped, then which of the following will be the 10th from the right hand? So from the right hand. So here is if the numbers will be dropped, like for example 1, 4, if it will be dropped, then this F, it will be the from right hand side, it will be the 10th one. So now the correct answer is C, F is the correct one. So next question 23. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on their position in the above arrangements, and so form a group. Which is one that doesn't belongs to that group? So F at the rate and V. So and 4 at 4 Q and then P, and 6 at the rate and then X and then T P W. So here in between the difference is how much? T to P is plus 3 and P to W is plus 3. So all which implies the same here. For that reason the correct answer is what? B, 4QP. 4QP, B, this is the correct option here. So next one, how many letters are there between the 4th element from the left hand and the 9th from the right hand of the given arrangements? So here the 4th number 1 from the left one, the fourth element from the left hand is at. So this is the 4th element here. This is the 4th element at the rate is the 4th element. 11th element from the right hand side, it is what? X. X is the 11th element here. And there are 4th element between the 4 elements from the left and the 9th element from the right hand, E, V, F and T. So that is the reason the correct answer is 24th is E, more than 3 letters. So next, question number 25. Which of the following is 7th to the left of the 11th element from the right hand from the above arrangement? So 11th from the right plus 7th from the left is 18th from the right. So clearly 18th from the right is 18th from the right side. Here right side, 18th from the right side. The correct answer is how much? E. E is the correct answer from here. So correct answer is how much? E, from the right hand side to 18th number. So direction for question number 26 to 30. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions. So 8 people, Anil, Bobby, Chinnu, Dolma, Payal, Krish, Rajat and Suman are sitting around a circle facing the center. They are not necessarily seated in the mentioned order. Only one person is sitting between Payal and Suman. 2 persons are sitting between Suman and Dolma. Krish sits second to the left of Rajat, and Krish is one of the immediate neighbor of Dolma. Equal number of people are sitting between Anil and Chinnu when counting from left and right of Anil. Anil is the immediate neighbor of neither Suman nor Payal. Bobby is sitting third, the left of Payal. So see here for this now what we do, we will just make one circle here, clear image. This is the question number 26. Just we written one circle here. Rajat, Anil, Krish, Dolma, Payal, Chinu, Suman, and then who? Bobby. See, all are towards what? Center. They are sitting in this direction. Okay. So they are sitting in this center of the. Now we will start with the question 26. Who is sitting third to the right of Payal? Third to right of the Payal. So who is sitting here? Where is Payal? 1, 2, 3. So Anil is sitting right third to Payal. So means who? Anil here. 26. Third right to Payal. Who? Anil. Anil is the correct one. So how many people are sitting between Rajat and Chinu when counting from left to left of Rajat? So left of Rajat, left of Rajat, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, Payal. So fourth one is the correct one. Next question number 28. Who is sitting opposite to Suman? Opposite to Suman, who is sitting opposite to Suman? When you see the diagram, no? Opposite to Suman, who is sitting? Krish is sitting. So if you draw the diagram, then it will be easy. We can find out. So next one. Who is sitting exactly between Suman and Payal when counted from left of Suman? When you count left of Suman, so sitting exactly between Suman and Payal. Suman and Payal. So who is sitting here? So the correct answer is Suman and Payal opposite to that. So who? So Anil is sitting. So next one. Who is sitting third to left of Dolma? Who is sitting third to left of Dolma? Suman is sitting. Third to left means who? Suman. So next question number 31. If it is possible to make only one meaningful English word with the first, second, 10th and 11th letters of the word requirement, which of the following will be the fourth letter of that word if no such word can be made? Given X as the answer, and if more than one such word can be made, given Z as the answer. So as we can see here is first and second and 10th and 11th letters. So that is what? R, E, N and then T. So first and second and 10th and 11th letters, R, E and T. Rent. Possible word rent, and one more possible word is what? Term. Okay, as more than one word can be formed to chosen letters, so such as it will be what? Y here. E. The correct option is Y. Next question number 32. If 3 is subtracted from all the digits greater than 4 and 1 is added to all the digits less than 4 in the number 5, 8, 1, 7, 5, 6, 3, 9, 2, then how many digits are repeated in the newly formed numbers? So 5, 8, 1, 7, 5, 6, 3, 9, 2. So question number 32. So you just write here 5, 8, 1, 7, 5, 6, 3, 9 and 2. Minus 3, plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3. So now 2, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6 and then 4. So therefore 4 digits are repeated in the newly formed number. So that is what? 2, 5 and then 3 and then 4. 2, 5, 3 and 4. So total 4. Correct answer is total 4. Next, direction for the question 33 to 35. Read the following information carefully and answer the question. An uncertain number of a person are sitting in a linear row facing to north. Jack sits fifth from the right end of row. Only 6 persons sit between Krishna and Bittu. Yash sits second to the right of Bittu. Tom sits third to the right of Jack. Sinha sits fourth to the right of Krishna. Leo sits to the immediate right of Willie. 5 persons sits between Yash and Jack. Krishna sits second from the left of the row. Gargi sits to the immediate left of Sinha. Dino sits third from the right end of row. Leo sits third to the right of Yash. It's better to we can write as a some schematic diagram here. So this question in between 32 to 35 here. Krishna, Gargi, Bittu, Yash, Willie, Leo, Jack, Krishna, Gargi, Bittu, Yash, Willie, Leo, Jack, Dino, and then Tom. So this is what kind of a schematic on order wise. Just you write the names here. So now let us see the questions. So how many persons are seated in the row? So how many persons are seated in the row? So here total how many persons? So particularly in the row the capacity is how much? 21. So next one, who sits sixth to the left of Dino? So who sits left to the Dino? Willie is sitting. So next one, who sits exactly at the middle of the row? So who is sitting middle of the row? Yash. Yash is sitting in the middle of the row. So if you see the schematic diagram, no, so particularly you just total the capacity is how much? 21, means 21 arrows you should be mentioned at the down. नेक्स्ट हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी. सो डायरेक्शन फॉर द क्वेश्चन 36 to 40. व्हाट विल कम इन द प्लेस ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क इन द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स. अभी देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 है 103, 109, 133, 253 क्वेश्चन मार्क और 6013. सो क्वेश्चन मार्क के बीच में क्या आता है? अभी देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 में नंबर्स क्या आता है? 103 है, उसके बाद में 109 है, उसके बाद में 133 है, उसके बाद में 253 है. सो क्वेश्चन मार्क के जगह पे हम खाली छोड़ देंगे, उसके बाद में 6013 है. ठीक है, अभी 103 से 109 तो हम क्या करेंगे? +6 है. ठीक है, 109 से और 133 इसको कितना है? +24 है. 1033 से 256 इसको कितना है? +120 है. और 253 से ये नंबर कितना है और ये नंबर से ये नंबर कितना है? ठीक है, तो अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी देखिए +6 +24 जो है ना, इससे और इसको हम इंटू 4 करेंगे. 6 4 जा कितना आया? 24 आया. उसके बाद में 24 से इसको क्या करेंगे? इंटू 5 करेंगे. 24 5 जा 120 आया है. ठीक है, और 120 से इस नंबर को 120 से हमको इंटू 6 करना है. 120 से हम इंटू 6 करेंगे तो हमको आता है कितना? +720. 120 + 720 आप ऐड करेंगे तो हमको आता है 973. कितना है आंसर? 973. ठीक है, अभी देखिए 973 प्लस 720 तो ऐड करेंगे तो आपको 6013 आएगा। 720 से हम क्या करेंगे, इंटू 7 हम ऐड करेंगे तो हमको नंबर आएगा 5040। तो 720 प्लस 5040 ऐड करेंगे तो 6013 ये नंबर आएगा। तो हमारा अभी करेक्ट आंसर क्या है, 973। सो 36 इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 973। अभी देखिए 168002400 क्वेश्चन मार्क 20। ठीक है, तो अभी क्वेश्चन मार्क के बीच में हमको अभी फाइंड आउट करना है। अभी यहाँ पर देखिए नंबर अभी यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं 16800 कामा 2400 कामा 400 कामा 80 कामा 20। 400 उसके बाद में यहाँ पर क्या है, क्वेश्चन मार्क है। ठीक है, उसके बाद में कितना है, 20 है। तो 16800 अगर आप डिवाइडेड बाय 7 करेंगे तो आपको ये नंबर आएगा। तो यहाँ पर आप डिवाइडेड बाय 6 करेंगे तो आपको क्या आएगा, ये नंबर आएगा। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आपको क्या करना है, डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करना है। सो डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करने के बाद ये क्वेश्चन मार्क है ना, क्वेश्चन मार्क के बदले में आपको आएगा नंबर 80। तो यहाँ पर आप डिवाइडेड बाय क्या करना है, 4 करेंगे तो आपको नंबर आएगा 20। तो अभी इसके लिए जो करेक्ट आंसर है क्वेश्चन मार्क के बदले में 80। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, 180 कामा 189 कामा 176 कामा क्वेश्चन मार्क कामा 172 कामा 197। तो क्वेश्चन मार्क में क्या ऑप्शन आएगा अभी चेक करेंगे। देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, 180 कामा 189, तो नेक्स्ट 176 कामा यहाँ पर क्या है, क्वेश्चन मार्क है, उसके बाद में 172, उसके बाद में 197। ठीक है, चलिए सो 180, अभी 180 से 189 जो है ना, तो इस दोनों के बीच में हमको आया है +9। सो 189 से 176 इन दोनों के बीच में आएगा -13। सो 176 से आपको यहाँ पर कितना आना है ये अभी पता नहीं है, तो यहाँ से आपको ये भी पता नहीं है। तो 172 से 197 यहाँ पर कितना आता है, +25। तो अभी यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं +4 -4 हम यहाँ पर बीच बीच में जो है ना ऐड करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर हमने माइनस किया था ना, यहाँ पर +17 जब लेंगे ना तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क के बदले में हमको नंबर आएगा 193। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर और प्लस ऐड कीजिए तो हमको कितना आएगा, -21, फिर यहाँ पर +25। सो बीच बीच में जो नंबर है ना हमको 4 ऐड करना है। 4 माइनस, पहले नेगेटिव आएगा उसके बाद में पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव माइनस प्लस, ऐसा। तो अभी क्या है आंसर, 193। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज हाउ मच, डी 193। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, -41 कामा 8 कामा 224 कामा 249 कामा क्वेश्चन मार्क 3 कामा 322 कामा 330। तो इसका जो है ना सही उत्तर है 313। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है -41 8 कामा 224 कामा 249 कामा क्वेश्चन मार्क कामा 322 कामा 330। चलिए अभी हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं। सो -41 सो कामा 8 कामा 224 कामा 249 कामा क्वेश्चन मार्क, सो कामा 322 कामा 330। -41 to 8, तो दोनों के बीच में कितना है, +49 है। ठीक है, और 8 से 224 दोनों के बीच में हम बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पर 216 है, और 224 से 249 यहाँ पर दोनों के बीच में +25 है। 249 से यहाँ पर कितना है, ये क्वेश्चन मार्क और उसके बाद में यहाँ पर भी हम नहीं जान सकते, और 322 टू 330 यहाँ पर कितना है, +25। ठीक है, 322 टू 330 यहाँ पर +8 है, 8 तो +8। अभी देखिए यहाँ पर जो स्टार्टिंग 41 और ये कितना है, टोटल 49 ना, +49। तो हम यहाँ पर 7 स्क्वायर हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, और उसके बाद में 6 क्यूब ऐसा लिख सकते हैं हम। इसके बाद में 5 स्क्वायर, उसके बाद में यहाँ पर देखिए नंबर्स कम होते जा रहे, 7 6 5। इसके बाद में यहाँ पर क्या है, 4 क्यूब। 4 क्यूब करेंगे ना, तो यहाँ पर आपको नंबर आएगा 313। ठीक है, उसके बाद में यहाँ पर आएगा 3 स्क्वायर। 3 स्क्वायर मतलब यहाँ पर आपको +9 आएगा। 4 क्यूब मतलब यहाँ पर आपको कितना आएगा, +64 आएगा, +64। ठीक है, उसके बाद में यहाँ पर आपको आएगा 2 क्यूब। 2 क्यूब। ठीक है, अभी हमको आंसर मिल गया 313। सो 39 इसका करेक्ट आंसर है, 313। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, 44, 135, 544, क्वेश्चन मार्क, 16356। चलिए यहाँ पर देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, 44, 135, 544, क्वेश्चन मार्क, उसके बाद में 16356। ठीक है, अभी देखिए 44 टू 135 ये दोनों को बीच में हमको आएगा इंटू 3 +3। ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं 135 टू 544 इसको आएगा इंटू 4 +4। ठीक है, और ये दोनों के बीच में हम यहाँ पर डाल सकते हैं इंटू 5 +5, तो हमको नंबर आएगा 2725। सो यहाँ और यहाँ के बीच में हम यहाँ पर डाल सकते हैं इंटू 6 +6, तो हमको नंबर आएगा यहाँ पर ऐसा। ठीक है, तो इसलिए ये सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है। तो 40 इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ई, 2725, क्वेश्चन मार्क के बदले में 2725। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, रूट ऑफ 225 इंटू क्यूब रूट ऑफ 729 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ऑफ 27। तो यहाँ पर हम सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे। देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 है, सो रूट ऑफ 225 इंटू क्यूब रूट ऑफ 729 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ऑफ 27। तो विच इम्प्लाइज यहाँ पर आप ये कर सकते हैं 15 इंटू 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, कितना आया 45। 3 1 जा 3 3 जा 15 3 जा 45। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ये 45। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, 80 इंटू 81 इंटू 96 डिवाइडेड बाय 60 इंटू 24 इंटू 9 प्लस 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 125 डिवाइडेड बाय 25 इज इक्वल टू 740। अभी यहाँ पर नीचे क्या है, तो यहाँ पर आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर ही लिख सकते हैं। अभी देखिए, सो सिंप्लीफिकेशन कीजिए, टोटल कैंसिलेशन होने के बाद आपको आएगा 5 इंटू 9 इंटू 4 प्लस 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 740 डिवाइडेड बाय क्वेश्चन मार्क, विच इम्प्लाइज ये क्वेश्चन मार्क के बदले में आपको आएगा 4। ठीक है, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 42E। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, क्वेश्चन मार्क प्लस 15 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 माइनस 3 1 by 6 इंटू 3 3 by 8 इज इक्वल टू 10। सो क्वेश्चन मार्क प्लस 15 3 by 8 माइनस 3 1 by 6 इंटू 3 3 by 8 is equal to 10. So which implies question mark plus 123 divided by 8 or minus 19 divided by 6 into 27 divided by 8 is equal to 10, which implies question mark plus 123 by 8 minus 171 divided by 16 is equal to 10. फिर यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन मार्क प्लस कैंसलेशन करने के बाद क्या आता है 10 minus 123 divided by 8 plus 171 divided by 16. So final procedure, question mark is equal to 160 minus 246 plus 171 whole divided by 16. तो हमको आता है 5.312, क्वेश्चन मार्क के बदले में 5.312. अब कैलकुलेट करने के बाद हमको यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. सो 43, इसका सही है 5.312. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, क्वेश्चन मार्क डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ऑफ 36 इज इक्वल टू 3 1 by 2 into 8 minus 20 divided by 2. So solution for question number 44. So question mark divided by root of 36 is equal to 3 half into 8 minus 20 divided by 2, which implies question mark divided by 6 is equal to 7 divided by 2 into 8 minus 20 whole divided by 2, which implies question mark is equal to 7 into 4 minus 20 into 6 divided by 2. So which implies question mark is equal to 8 into 3 is equal to 24. So final answer is how much? 24. So 44, correct answer is C, 24. So next question number 45. So 1530 divided by question mark is equal to root of 361 minus root of 4. So what is the correct answer here? So question number 45, 1530 divided by question mark is equal to root of 361 minus root of 4. So now, so is equal to question mark is equal to 1530 divided by 19 minus 2 is equal to 1530 divided by 17. So after cancellation, the value of question mark is how much? 90. So correct answer is 90. So next question 46, 75% of 800 plus 60 minus 510 is equal to question mark. So what is the value? So question number 46, 75% of 800 plus 60 minus 510, so is equal to question mark. So which implies 3 divided by 4 into 800 plus 60 minus 510 is equal to question mark. So which implies 600 minus 450 is equal to question mark. So what is the value of question mark is how much? 150. So correct answer is 150. So next question number 47, 11 divided by 17 into 867 plus 150% of 600 minus 590. So how much is the value? Question mark. So question number 47. So 11 divided by 17 into 867 plus 150% of 600 minus 590 is equal to question mark. 11 into 51 plus 90 minus 590. So which implies 561 minus 500 is equal to 61. The value of question mark is how much? 61. So correct answer is B, 61. So next question 48, 8 divided by 5 of 6 divided by 16 of 30 divided by 54 into question mark is equal to 120% of 270. So question number 48. So 8 divided by 5 of 6 divided by 16 of 30 divided by 54 into question mark is equal to how much? 120% of 270. So which implies 8 by 5 into 6 by 16 into 30 by 54 into question mark. So is equal to 120% of 270. So which implies 8 divided by 5 into 6 divided by 16 into 30 divided by 54 into question mark. So is equal to 120 divided by 100 into 270. So which implies question mark is equal to 3 into 324. So now when you calculate 324 into 3, so question mark is equal to 972. So this is the correct answer. Correct option is C, 972. So next question 49, 8 of 143 divided by 26 into 12 minus 444 is equal to question mark. So 8 of 143 divided by 26 into 12 minus 444 is equal to question mark. So which implies 1144 divided by 26 into 12 minus 444 is equal to question mark, which implies 44 into 12 minus 444 is equal to question mark, which implies question mark is equal to 528 minus 444 is equal to 84. So correct answer is how much? 84. So option E, 84 is the correct one. So next question number 50, 60% of question mark is equal to 76 plus 294 divided by 3. So 60% of question mark is equal to 76 plus 294 divided by 3. So now which implies question mark is equal to 76 plus 98 divided by 60%. So now question mark is equal to 174 into 100 divided by 60. So now the answer is 290. So how much? 290 is the correct one. So 50, the correct answer is how much? 290. So next question number 51. So 272 divided by 8 minus 19 into 7 plus cube root of 19683 is equal to question mark. So question number 51, let's see the solution here. 272 divided by 8 minus 19 into 7 plus cube root of 19683. So question mark, which implies 34 minus 133 plus 27 is equal to question mark. Question mark is equal to minus 72. The correct answer is D, minus 72. So next question, question number 52, 6480 divided by 81 plus 46 into 30 is equal to how much? Question mark. Solution for 52, 6480 divided by 81 plus 46 into 30 is equal to question mark. So which implies what? 80 plus 1380. So is equal to question mark. So now question mark is equal to 1460. So correct answer is 1460. Correct option is D, 1460. So next question number 53. 7, 4 divided by 8 into 3, 2 divided by 3 minus 11, 3 divided by 5 plus 9, 1 divided by 3. So question mark. So what is the solution for question number 53? So question number 53. 7, 4 divided by 8 into 3, 2 divided by 3 minus 11, 3 divided by 5 plus 9, 1 divided by 3. So is equal to question mark. So which implies 60 divided by 8 into 11 divided by 3 minus 58 divided by 5 plus 28 divided by 3 is equal to question mark. So now which implies 55 divided by 2 minus 58 divided by 5 plus 28 divided by 3. So now 825 minus 348 plus 280 divided by 30 is equal to question mark. So now question mark is equal to 757 divided by 30 is equal to 25, 7 divided by 30. So this is the answer. Correct answer is A, 25, 7 divided by 30. So next question number 54. In April 2019, employee of company has 17500 and it is increased by 60%. Every year in the starting of April, if employee of a company spent 40% of total amount in April 2011, then find the total amount in rupees employee has at end of April 2021. So now here only we can calculate 17500 into 160 divided by 100 into 160 divided by 100 into 60 divided by 100. So calculate all. So you will get how much? 26,880 rupees. For this, correct answer is E, 26,880 rupees. So next question number 55. The ratio of length to breadth of a rectangle is 5:4 and area of the rectangle is 500 centimeter square. If the breadth of the rectangle decreased by 30% and the length is increased by 20%, then find the new perimeter in centimeter of the rectangle. So question number 55 here. Show length to breadth of the rectangle is how much? 5:4. Area of rectangle, so is the formula. What is the formula? Length into breadth is equal to how much? Here it is 500. So now 5x into 4x is equal to 500. X square is equal to 25. X is equal to 5. So now length is equal to how much? 5x is equal to 25 plus 20% is equal to how much? 30 centimeter. And breadth is equal to 4x is equal to 20. It is a minus 30%. So how much it is? 14 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the rectangle is how much? 2 into L plus B. So which implies what? 230 plus 14. So is equal to 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. Next direction, question number 56 to 60. The graph shows the total number of orders received by 5 restaurants P, Q, R, S and T Read the bar graph and answer the following questions carefully. So this is the bar graph here. P, Q, R, S, T. So P is 62, Q is 80, R is 70, S is 92, T is 78. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 100 here. Okay, this is the bar graph here. Now, question. Find the average number order received by P, Q and S. So the average number of the order received by P, Q and S is equal to how much? 62 plus 80 plus 92. So divided by 3. So now here, which implies 234 divided by 3 is equal to how much? 78. So for question number 56, the correct answer is E, 78. Next, question number 57. The orders received by S, 75%, are veg orders and rest are non-veg orders. Then find the non-veg orders received by S. Solution for 57th question. So non-veg order received by S. How much? 100 minus 75% of S. So which implies 25% of 92 is equal to 25 divided by 100 into 92, which implies how much? 23. So correct answer is A, 23. Next, question number 58. Restaurant Oracle received 50% more orders than that of P, and restaurant People received 33.38 more orders than T. Find the total order received by Oracle and People. So restaurant Oracle, how much order? 150 divided by 100 into 62 is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 62 is equal to 93. So restaurant People. So what is the value here? 133.38 divided by 100 into 78 is equal to 4 divided by 3 into 78. So is equal to how much? 104. So the total order received by Oracle and People is equal to how much? So 93 plus 104 means 197. So correct answer is E, 197. So next, question number 59. Find the orders received by P and T together, or what percentage more or less than that of Q and R together. So next one, question number 59. So required percentage. So required percentage is equal to order received by P and T divided by order received by Q and R into 100. 62 plus 78 divided by 80 plus 70 into 100 is equal to 140 divided by 150, 10 into 100, which implies 10 divided by 150 into 100 is equal to 6.66%. 6.66%. So correct answer is A, 6.66%. So next, question number 60. Find the ratio of order received by T to order received by Q and S together. So what is the ratio? So ratio of order received by T to order received by Q, okay, and to order received by S together. So T, Q and S. So what is the ratio of the orders? So now ratio of the orders, how to calculate here is 78 divided by 80 plus 92. So how much here is like 78 divided by 172. So E is equal to how much? 39 divided by 86. So 39 divided by 86. In other words, we can write like 39 is to 86 also. Next, question number 61. Abhay and Binod started a business with some amount. After 9 months, Abhay left the business at the end of a year. The profit share of Abhay and Binod is in the ratio of 9:20. Find the ratio of investment of Abhay and Binod respectively. So solution for 61 here. So investment of Abhay is equal to investment of Binod. For example, see here. So M1 into 90, okay, bracket close 20, and investment of Binod so is equal to how much? M2 into 12, bracket close 9. So now M1 divided by M2 is equal to 9 into 12 divided by 9 into 20. So 3 divided by 5. So for this, the correct answer is how much? 3 divided by 5. So correct answer is 3:5. Next, question number 62. X, Y and Z together can do a work in 8 days, while Y and Z together can do the same work in 48 by 5 days. Find in how many days X alone can do 33.33% of work. So 62 for the solution, 62x plus y plus z. So is equal to 8 days. Okay. Now y plus z is equal to how much? 48 by 5 days. So 8 days into 6 and 48 by 5 days into 5. So is equal to how much? 48 T and W. So which implies here x plus y plus z minus y plus z is equal to 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Efficiency of x, which implies here x alone can do 33.33% of the work in how many days? Let's calculate here. 48 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 is equal to 16 days. So how much? Option is D, in 16 days. So next question number 63. The speed of a train is 72 km per hour and is crossed a pole in 32 seconds. If a speed of train is decreased by 4 meters per second, then find the time taken by the train to cross the same pole in seconds. For solution for question number 63, distance covered by train so is equal to how much? 72 into 5 by 18 into 32. So is equal to how much? 640 meters. And then speed of the train is increased by how much? 12 meter per second. Once you increase the speed, then the calculation will be 72 into 5 by 18 plus 12 is equal to 32 meter per second. Then the time taken by the train to cross the same pole. So for this 640 meters divided by 32 meter per second. So if you just cancel it, then how much? In 20 seconds. So your answer will be 20 seconds. So correct answer is how much? A, 20 seconds. Next, question number 64. A woman invests rupees Z in a scheme A at the rate of 21% per annum for 2 years on compound interest annually. Also, she invested the same amount in the scheme B at rate 25% per annum for 2 years. on simple interest. Find the difference between interest received from both scheme is rupees 179.5. Then find the value of Z is how much. Solution for 64. So now let us see the compound interest for 2 years. Compound interest for 2 years. So how much here? 21 plus 21 plus 21 into 21 divided by 100. So is equal to how much? 46.41%. She invested same amount in the scheme B at the rate of 25% per annum. 25% per annum for 2 years on simple interest. On what? Simple interest. So now simple interest of 2 years is how much here? 25 into 2 is equal to 50%. So 50%. The difference between interest received from both the scheme, so is how much here? 492 rupees. So now there will be one formula, simple interest minus compound interest is equal to 179.5. So now 50% minus 46.41% is equal to 179.5. So now 3.59% is equal to 179.5. So here 1% is equal to 50. So 100% is equal to 50 into 100. So now how much here? 5,000. So rupees 5,000. So correct option is A, 5,000. So अगला सवाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. Cost price of two articles P and Q is equal. Article P sold at the profit of 25% and article Q sold at loss of 35%. So overall loss of 75%, rupees 75% occurred. For received a profit of 50%, article Q should sell at what price? So solution for 6. So overall loss in percent is how much? Plus 25 is equal to how much? Plus 25% minus 35% is equal to minus 10%. So minus 10% is equal to rupees 75. So here we can calculate into 10. So here into 10. The value here is how much? 100% is equal to 750 rupees. So profit percentage is equal to 750 into 150 divided by 100. So is equal to rupees how much? 1125 rupees. Correct answer है D, 1125 rupees. So next question number 66. 7 years hence the ratio of age of Ashish to that of Beena will be 4:5. If the ratio of age of Ashish to that of Beena 3 years hence will be 7:9, then find the present age in years of Beena. So solution for 66. So Ashish and then Beena. So just assume here A and then B. Okay, so here A is how much? What? 7. So A is to B. So how much here? 7 is to 9 here. So this is when? So this is when? After 3 years here. And next is how much? 4 is to 5. So this is when? This is after 7 years. So this is A and B. This is for the present age. Okay, so after 3 years 7:9, and after 7 years 4:5. So now you can calculate here is 7 into 1 is equal to 7:9 into 1 is equal to 9. Same like 4 into 2 is equal to 8 is to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So here it is how much? 1 unit is equal to 4 years. Now Bina age after 3 years is how much? 9 into 4 is equal to 36 years. Present age of Bina. Present age of Bina is how much? 36 minus 3 is equal to 33 years. So present age is how much? 33 years now. So present age is how much? Option is 33 years. Question number 67. The difference of two positive number is 4. If 25% of bigger number is equal to 75% of a smaller number, then find the bigger number. So what is the bigger number? Solution for question number 67. Let the bigger and the smaller number is A and what? B respectively. So now A minus B is equal to how much? 4, and then A into 25% is equal to 75% into B. So now A divided by B is equal to how much? 75 divided by 25. So is equal to 3 divided by 1. So here difference is equal to how much? 2 units is equal to 4. 1 unit is equal to 2. And 3 unit is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So correct answer is how much? 6 here. So correct option is 6. So next question number 68. A vessel contains 540 liters of mixture of alcohol and water, and alcohol is 25% and the mixture is in the vessel. If 60 liters of water added in the vessel, then find the ratio of water to alcohol in the resulting mixture. Total how much? 540 liters total. In this 540 liters, so 25% of what? Alcohol. So 135. So here is how much? 135 means 9:31. Here is the ratio. And water, how much? 405. So for this 405, 60 liters. So total 465. So 135 is to 465. So now how much? 135 is to 465. When you cancel it, it will come how much? 9:31. So solution for question number 68. So total how much? 540 liters here. Okay. So what we do? We will separate alcohol and then water. Okay. So alcohol is how much percent? 25% here. And alcohol 135. And water is how much? 405. 135, and what we need to add? 60 liters here. Okay. So 135 is to 465. So when you cancel this, then how much it will come? 9 into 35. 9:35. Therefore, water to the alcohol ratio is how much? 31:9. So correct answer is 31:9. So next question number 69. The ratio of upstream speed of a boat and speed of a current is 5:3. If in downstream the boat can cover 110 kilometers in 5 hours, then find out the speed of current. So what is the speed of current? So solution for 69. Let the speed of a boat in still water is u. Let the speed of the current is v. Okay. So which implies what? U minus v divided by v. So is equal to 5 divided by 3. Now u minus v is equal to 5v divided by 3. So which implies what? U is equal to 8v divided by 3. So now u plus v is equal to 110 by 5 is equal to how much? 22 kilometer per hour. And then now 8 by 3 V plus V is equal to 22. 11 V divided by 3 is equal to 22. Now V is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. V is equal to how much? 6 kilometer per hour. So correct answer is how much? 6 kilometer per hour. So next one, question number 70. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 200% and the denominator of a fraction increased by 50%, the resultant fraction is 9 1 by 11% of 8. What is the original fraction here? So question number 70. So here numerator into 300% divided by denominator into 50%. Okay, so now when you calculate here, 1 divided by 11 into 8. So now numerator is divided by denominator is equal to how much? 4 by 33. 4 by 33. So correct answer is D, 4 by 33. Next topic is English language. Direction for the question 71 to 75. Read the following passage and answer the following questions by choosing the most appropriate options. A minute after 5 p.m. on a Friday evening, Officer Bobby White of the Gainesville, Florida Police Department got a call from dispatch about a noise complaint. Some teens were playing basketball. Officer White dashcam video shows him pulling up outside a home in a down and out part of town. A teen stops playing as the officer walks towards him. I could tell he was like a great. The cops here. How's this gonna go? Question mark. Says White. Now to put him at ease, White said, "Can you believe that? Someone calling about kids playing basketball?" Question mark. Then he put his hand out for the ball. The tentative 10 gave it to him. White turned towards the basket and clanked a shot off the rim. As a playground courtesy, the teen tossed the ball back to White, who nailed his next shot. It was like signal. Kids began streaming out from the home of one of the boys to join in the shoot around the video shows. White and the kids laughing and shooting for 13 minutes. They even louder the hoop so that the 5'10" cops could drunk the ball. As he left, he told them to have fun and asked that they watch the noise. That was that he thought an officer doing his job, but that wasn't end of the story. The police department's information officers always look to highlight the positive things his officers do. Put the dash cam tape online within a week. It was viewed over million times. A. Start sending supporting equipment to the police department with a message. Give these to Officer White. But that caught with off guard was another comment he heard. We need more cops like you. I know this was meant as a complaint. White says, but there are tons of cops like me who go above and beyond. To prove his point, White created the Basketball Cop Foundation. Since its inception in 2016, the foundation has supplied support equipment to more than 50 police departments around the country so that other officers have what they need to go out on the street and recreate the experience White gave those kids the other day. White not naive, he knows that the happy ending between a white cop and a bunch of minority kids is what made the video go viral. Honestly, I wish the video wouldn't have been popular. He says, I wish people have looked at it and said, that's how I would expect the interaction to go. After all, he was just doing what thousands of cops should do every day. सो नाउ अभी देखते हैं, अभी पैराग्राफ हमने पढ़ लिया ना, अगर चाहे तो और एक बार भी पढ़ सकते हैं क्लैरिटी के लिए। अभी इसके रिलेटेड हम क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। Why did the foundation supply, question number 71, why did the foundation supply sports equipments to police department around the country? So इसका suitable answer ये होता है, so that the other officers could have what they need, go out on the street and recreate the experience White gave those kids the other day. So इसका सही जवाब ये suitable answer ये होता है। Next one, how has the police officer's White's character has been portrayed in the passage? So इसके लिए correct option है benevolent. Benevolent का मतलब means kind and sympathetic towards others, and as shown in the passage, the police officer. White has been shown very sympathetic towards the signal kids and possesses all the good qualities. So next one, so we need more cops like you. Whom is it being referred to? This is for the police officer. Next one, what was the possible reasons behind the video getting viral as mentioned by the author? So happy ending between cop and teenage boys. So next, question number 75, which of the following word define the term naive as mentioned in the passage? So the word is innocent. As the meaning of the term naive is innocent, hence option B would be the most suitable here. Next, direction for the question 76 to 80. Read the given passage and answer the following questions by choosing the most suitable options. The rapid expansion of a digital payment system has transformed the financial landscape across the world. In countries like India, the introduction of the unified payments interface, that is UPI, unified payment interface, revolutionized the way transactions are conducted. UPI enables user to link multiple bank accounts to a single mobile application, allowing seamless fund transfers without requiring bank details. This system has not only made transaction faster but also safe due to multi-factor authentication. One of the major advantages of the digital payment system is the promotion of a cashless economy, which reduces the risk associated with cash handling, such as theft and counterfeit currency. Moreover, digital transactions create a transparent record of all payments, which is beneficial for both consumers and regulatory authorities. However, the rise in the digital transaction also increase the risk of cyber fraud. Thus, the robust cyber security measures and public awareness campaigning are essential to safeguard users. Digital payments have also had a significant impact on same business, enabling them to expand their customer base by accepting online payments. This has further led to increased financial inclusion, allowing more people to participate in the formal economy. However, challenges such as internet connectivity issues and lack of digital literacy continue to hinder the widespread adoption of the system. This is about UPI payment passage. So now let us see the questions. अभी questions देखते हैं one by one. How do digital payment system contribute to the promotion of cashless economy? यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं by reducing risk related to cash handling like theft and counterfeit currency. Counterfeit currency मतलब duplicate notes. Theft मतलब चोरी. So next question है, what repercussions have been considered after the impact of digital payment on small business? So it has enabled them to expand their customer base. Also, it has led to increase financial inclusion in the way. Next है, the word revolutionized in the passage can be replaced with which of the following? So rectified, as the word revolutionized means transfigured or transformed, and almost amongst the following options rectified. Suit the most, as it is meant radically changed, hence transfigured. Means what? Rectified. So next question number 79. What could possibly be the major shortcoming of the digital payments? Increased risk of cyber fraud. So for this, what we need to do is more cyber security we need to implement. So next question number 80. The anatomy of the word deleterious from the passage would be dash. सही जवाब है beneficial. The word deleterious means damaging, hence the anatomy of the same would be something useful and amongst the following options. Beneficial, deemed to the most suitable antonymy, beneficial. So next, the direction for the question 81 to 85. Read the passage and answer the questions by choosing the most suitable option. In today's competitive world, it is essential to developing good communication skill. Every professional should be able to convey their ideas clearly and effectively. However, many people faces challenges when it comes to expressing themselves confidently. The accepted ability to speak fluently not only boosts one's self-esteem but also open doors to numerous opportunities. Moreover, listening skills are equally important as they help in understanding others' perspective and building the strong relationship. Therefore, it is important for individuals to focus on improving both speaking and listening skills to achieve success in their career. So for this question number 81, find the part of the sentences which contains an error. The ability to speak fluently not only boosts one's self-esteem but also open the doors to the numerous opportunities. So for this, no, the suitable sentence is like but also opens the door to the numerous opportunities. Since the subject, the ability, is a singular, the verb must also be singular. The verb open should be opens to match the singular subject. So next one, replace the word accepted in the passage if there is an error with the appropriate one from the following options given below. So for this, no, expected, accepted, expected. The word accepted used in the passage means the reservation, while here the context deals with the meaning, desired or esteemed. Hence option A, expected, would fit the context. Next, question number 83. Identify the correct part in the given sentence. Therefore, it is important for individuals to focus on improving both speaking and listening skills to achieve success in their career. So for this, no, therefore it is important for individuals. The word career should be plural here because it is refers to multiple individuals, each having their own career. Correct sentence is to achieve success in their careers. So next one, identify the error in the following sentences. However, many people face challenges when it comes to express themselves confidently. So we need to correct the sentence, means like, see here, however many peoples, this one is the correct sentence. So next question, find the error in the following passage given below. In today's competitive world, it is essential to developing good communication skills. It is essential to developing good communication skills. It is essential. So this is the correct sentence here. Next, direction for question number 86 to 90. In the following passage, some of the words are given in bold, each of which is preceded by a blank. Find the suitable word from the options given below that could replace the bold word as to make a paragraph meaningful. If no replacement is required, choose option E as your answer. As per data compiled by the National Crime Record Bureau, NCRB in the report Crime in India 2020, about 5% of the cases under section 498A were found to be false. About 9.4% were either non-cognizable or civil in nature or with insufficient evidence in the end. Similarly, about 12% of the cases under the SC and ST Prevention of Atrocities Act were found to be false by the police, and about 7% were either non-cognizable or civil in nature or with deficient evidence B in the end. Further, out of the 17,765 cases under section 498A decided by the court, 3,425 cases ended with a conviction. Out of the 8,138 cases under the SC and ST's Prevention of Atrocities Act decided by the court, 3,588 cases ended with a persuasion, although there are varied reasons of clearing C, including a delay in loading the FIR, witnesses turning hostile, compromising between the parties, lack of proper presenting by the prosecution, and an appreciation of the evidence by the court, etc. The problem arises when the court concludes that a case is false. Since the arbiters D of arriving at the truthfulness of a case lies primarily with the investigating officer, it is their duty to investigate the case thoroughly and collect all the facts and circumstances fearlessly. This would ensure that false cases are closed in time and no innocent individuals have to suffer the rigorous E of the law. चलो अभी हम इसके related questions अभी देखते हैं. So question number 86, which of the following options will replace the word A? Inadequate. Inadequate is the here the word inadequate means not sufficient or deficits to gratify the need, which is synonymous. So next head, question number 81, which of the following option will replace the word B? So B को replace करने के लिए no correction required. So यहाँ पर क्या है? No correction required. Among all the options of the word proof fit, but as it means the same according to the context given, there isn't much need for the change. So इसके लिए कुछ change करने का ज़रूरी नहीं है. So next one, question number 88, which of the following option will replace the word C? तो यहाँ पर जो option है ना acquittal जो option है ना, ये word suitable होता है. Acquittal means what? Accusation means charges or claims of something that has done something illegal or wrong. So next question number 89, which of the following option will replace the word D? So उसके लिए जो है ना option A, onus. Option A, onus, contextual and grammatically fits the blank. Onus means something that is one's duty to or responsibility. Next question number 90, which of the following option will replace the word E? So here no replacement required here. So word E, no replacement required. Next direction for question number 91 to 95, which of the phrases A, B, C and D should replace the highlighted phrases in the sentence to make it grammatically correct? If there is no correction required, mark E as answer. Question number 91, though he had no proper knowledge, his intuitive instinct was that increasing humans in a robot was positive only up to certain point. So for this, no suitable word is up to a certain amount. Up to a certain amount. The given phrase is bold is incorrect since it is referring to amount which is not specified. but the humans in the robot was positive only. And article A should precede it, which is missing in the given statement. So next one, question number 92. The top court has sought a response from the central government on two petitions seeking separate probe by CBI and NIA into the alleged crime. So for this, no connection required here. Highlighted phrase is correct only. So question number 93. The IT officers had removed worst of the social media account originated in the Iran based on informations provided to the company by the FBI. So for this, no information provided. So there are certain exceptions which are always reused in a singular form. It function as plural. Information is one such example. Information, not informations. Information is enough. So next, question number 94. The MLA also attends the meeting, said that his party was in support of the proposal to save new Chandni Chowk Hanuman temple. Also attends not required. Also, next, question number 95. A good leader has a hunger to further your knowledge, and he understands everything in your business. So for this, a good leader has means a good leader has. The highlighted phrase will be replaced by the one given in the option B. Has will be used as it talks about the singular form. Hence the rest of the option are eliminated. 96 to 100. Rearrange the following sentences and answer the following questions accordingly. So option A, the effects of climate change are becoming more visible with each passing year. So option B, rising global temperature have led to more frequent and intense natural disaster. And option C, these changes pose a significant threats to both human society and natural ecosystem. Option D, addressing climate change requires global cooperation and immediate action. And option E, scientists warn that if greenhouse gas emission continues unchecked, the consequence could be catastrophic. So now, which of the following sentence would be the passage if you make it one form? These sentences. So for this, B option A. Since the correct sequence of the given sentences, as per me, it is C. A, B, C, E, and then D. This is the correct sequence. So next, question number 97. Which of the following would appear as second sentence of the passage? So second sentence देखिए B आएगा. तो यहाँ पर भी करेक्ट सीक्वेंस कैसा है अभी? एज पर A, B, C, E, D. ये सीक्वेंस करेक्ट रहेगा. अभी देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 98. विच सेंटेंस वुड अपीयर द फोर्थ प्लेस? सो फोर्थ प्लेस के लिए आपको आएगा डी. सो डी मतलब यहाँ पर भी हम कह सकते हैं A, B, C, E, D. ये करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है. एंड सेंटेंस E वुड अपीयर आफ्टर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस? सो ऑप्शन है E. सो लास्ट एंड फाइनल क्वेश्चंस देखिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस वुड अपीयर एट द लास्ट प्लेस? लास्ट प्लेस कौन सा आना चाहिए? ये डी ऑप्शन जो है ना, लास्ट प्लेस. तो अरेंजमेंट कैसा रहना चाहिए? पेजेस अभी जो सेंटेंस था ना, A, B, C, E, D. ये करेक्ट रहेगा. सो प्रीलिम्स का 1 to 100 क्वेश्चंस हमने देखा है. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट रहेगा या कुछ भी कमेंट्स में आप बता सकते हैं. हम डाउट क्लैरिफिकेशन वगैरह सभी किया जाएगा. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि हम ऐसे ज़्यादातर वीडियोस बना सकें. थैंक यू.